Welcome the our channel. Today we how to save on website analytics with Hotjar, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on website analytics with Hotjar, start by signing up for a Hotjar account. Visit the Hotjar website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is active, log into the Hotjar dashboard. Next, add your website by clicking on the Add a Site button. Enter your website's URL and give your site a name. After saving, you'll be directed to the setup instructions. Hotjar will provide you with a tracking code. Copy this code to your clipboard. Head to your website's content management system or code editor. Locate your website's header section. Paste the Hotjar tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes and publish your site if necessary. Return to the Hotjar dashboard and ensure your site is listed. Once your site is active, explore the various features offered by Hotjar. Utilize heat maps to visualize user interactions on your site. Set up session recordings to understand user behavior. Implement surveys or feedback polls to gather insights from visitors. Monitor these metrics to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your website based on the data collected from Hotjar. Continuously track your progress for ongoing optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively save on website analytics with Hotjar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.